All right, now we're going to do question number 7, 8, which are multi-step equations. So both of these problems use the distributive property, which gives us a times b plus c. We can take this a and we can distribute it to both of those, and a times b plus c is the same thing as ab plus ac. So we can multiply the a times the b and the a times the c. You have to have multiplication and you have to have addition inside of this parentheses or subtraction for this to work. So if we look at our first problem, this says -5 parentheses -7 minus 2x parentheses equals 95. So when I look at this problem, I say, oh, I can take this -5 and distribute it to both of those. So -5 times -7 is 35. -5 times -2x becomes plus 10x, and that is still going to equal 95. Now this problem is just a simple two-step problem that we just learned how, or just did on the last couple problems. But this one now is all of a sudden cleaner. It looks nicer, and we can solve it pretty quickly. We subtract our 35 from both sides. The 35s cancel out, and we get 10k equals 60. We divide by 10, and we get k equals 6. Now we can check our answer by plugging it back into the original problem. We got -5 times -7 minus 2 times 6. So order of operations says I have to do my multiplication first, so this becomes -5 times -7 minus 12. Okay, order of operations says I've got to multiply subtract what's inside the parentheses. -7 minus 12 is -19. And then I take that and I can multiply them together. Two negatives being multiplied together becomes positive. 5 times 19 is 95. So we did get the right answer. So k is equal to 6. Okay, we look at question number 8. Same thing. Now this one, the answer is written on the left side and the variable is written on the right side. That's okay. If that really bothers you, you can rewrite it and move the 96 over to the right side. If not, then just go ahead and solve it just like that. -8 times that, -8 times that. We get 96 equals 8r plus 40. Simple two-step problem. Subtract 40. Subtract 40. We get 8r equals 96 minus 40 is 56. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. And we end up with r being equal to 7. Check our answers. -8 times -7 minus 5. -8, -7 minus 5 is -12. 8 times 12 is 96. A negative times a negative is a positive. So we do end up getting our correct answer when we check our work. Always check your work.